It tastes very good. Everything tastes nice. So I'm cooking some bulgur with red kidney beans. So I'm just gonna cook it just how I would cook rice and peas. So it's gonna be bulgur peas cooked down in coconut milk, and having some baked salmon. So I'm gonna add on some salt and black pepper to bake my salmon, and I'm gonna have some asparagus as well, guys. So trying to go healthy, much healthier options for 2025. So keep watching, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour in the peas. Now guys, I'm gonna cover it and let it bring it to a boil. Then I'm gonna add in the coconut milk and the bulgur, guys. Getting ready to boil, so I'm gonna add in a pack of coconut milk. I'm gonna add in a pepper and some thyme. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in some scallion and some butter. And some salt to taste, guys. I'm just flavoring it up. Okay guys, it's boiling, so I'm gonna add in the bulgur. Okay guys, the bulgur peas is done. Looks good. Alright guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna add on make some seasoning, some Old Bay, and some crushed red pepper. I'm gonna add in some garlic. And some black pepper. And I'm not gonna put any salt because these seasonings have salt. Just gonna add on these onto the salmon. Okay guys, so the salmon is seasoned, so I'm gonna add it in the oven. Add on some olive oil. Massive warehouse fire forcing entire neighborhoods to shelter in place tonight. Some urged to evacuate. Schools and businesses in the area have been closed, and why authorities are so concerned about this. With monitors via toxoplasmosis, my skin is no longer mine. My active psoriatic arthritis symptoms have. Okay guys, I'm gonna add it in the oven. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get the asparagus ready. I'm just gonna cut off a little part of the edges and get them washed. Okay guys, so I washed and cut up the asparagus. I'm gonna add them to this container. I'm gonna bake them in the oven. I'm gonna add in some garlic. Finely chopped garlic. I'm adding on some olive oil. And a little salt to taste, just a little salt. And I'm gonna just toss these. And I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it about 15 minutes. Until then, they're soft to your liking. There's some people like them really soft, some people like them a little crunchy. So, but I'm gonna be turning and tossing them while they're in the oven every now and then. Okay, guys, keep watching. Okay, guys, the salmon is done. Okay, guys, the asparagus is done as well. So it's time to eat. Hi guys, so I'm having my Bulgar peas with asparagus, my baked salmon with a little gravy, and some cranberry juice. Okay guys, let's check this out. Let's eat. Let's try the salmon. Salmon tastes good. And the asparagus is crunchy and nice, not too soft. Lovely dinner. It's gonna be a Sunday dinner, weekday dinner, lunch. It tastes very good. Everything tastes nice. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye. I'll definitely see you in the next video.